Comets appear to hold invaluable information about the origin of our solar system, and perhaps life itself. But astronomers have discovered that these icy bodies are not immortal. Now, state-of-the-art satellites have captured images of a select group of comets that will end their life in a suicidal death dive. While our journey with the comets has felt like an endless cosmic roller coaster ride, these icy objects will not orbit our sun forever. Most will make the voyage for several thousand years before evaporating into specks of dust. Even massive comets, like Halley, only have 150,000 years left. That's because every second, a comet loses tons of ice.
Comets gradually wither away or fade away because every time they pass close to the sun, they lose some of their ices. They evaporate away. Eventually, there's very little ice left, and so the comet coma and tail doesn't form. It just looks like an asteroid. Or it may even break apart into a whole bunch of little objects because the icy glue is no longer there, or because tidal effects actually break it apart.
But not all comets quietly fade into the sunset. We're now in hot pursuit of a group of comets called sun grazers that live fast and die young. Inside our spacecraft, we feel the heat as the comet's extremely elongated orbits bring us very close to the sun, within a few 100,000 miles. As we enter this danger zone, we see that some of these Kamikaze comets occasionally plunge right into our home star, creating a ferocious spectacle.
Sun-grazer comets start out their life as normal comets. They probably live either in the Oort Cloud or they're short-period comets, but they've had an unlucky encounter with another planet, probably Jupiter. If they're really, really lucky, they might just escape and be able to get away with one close passage by the sun. But if they're not lucky, they just get swallowed up whole by the sun.
The Solar and Heliospheric Observatory, or SOHO, is a space satellite that has observed 2,000 comets on suicidal orbits. The most famous sun grazers are the Kreutz family, which originated from one giant comet that broke up into many smaller pieces.
It's a kind of cool thing to think of a comet that's lived in the outer solar system just falling all the way and smashing into the sun. But they do, we see them all the time.